How you doing? Just stumbled across a Zigbee meeting, which is a scam that we've been following for a wee while out of the Philippines. So we'll just go straight into it and see what we can find and see what they're saying. We might be able to cause some disruption. We will find out. We've got a gallery view, 27 people. And we'll also open a couple of other web browsers so we can have a bit of fun. I'm also processing a few videos, so my CPU might not be that great. We'll find out in a second. So let's get into that.
This meeting is being recorded.
There we go. And now we have two connections.
This meeting is being recorded.
That's enough to keep us busy. We'll see if the chat room's open. First of all, let's find the blog I did on this company so I can cut and paste messages in the chat room. Whereabouts was it? Not that one. Not that one. There it is. So you'll see that we've done a few meetings in the past. And now now we should be able to go back. And there we go. So let's see what happens if we, first of all, destroy the chat room. There we go. Chat room being destroyed. And we'll see if we can rename ourselves before.
Hi, hello Ziggles community. Good evening everyone. Mukhang may nakapasok po na unwanted guest in our Zoom session. No. Well, hello to you, Dan. How are you? So nice to see you again. You can use your real name if you want.
He'll be delighted.
Yeah. Anyways, hello guys. Good evening everyone. We'll be starting at around 150 participants. So, antayin lang po natin yung mga ibang community members na papasok pa guys. And then after that, we'll proceed with our Zoom session as usual, no? Nothing change. Pagkatapos, syempre, kanina kasi sa Unfold na halos lahat na ng updates na bigay ko naman. But I will remind everyone again in regards to this, no? But yep, ayan nag-comment. But let's use this time, let's use this space, no? Lalo na po sa mga bagong community members na sumali, maglalagay pa lang or sasali pa dito sa Ziggles Well. Let's use this time, let's use this avenue for you to ask me questions. Feel free to ask, no? Kahit ano pong question, I'm willing to answer it. I'm very open here. So, our Zoom sessions each and every night is always an avenue, a space for you to connect with me and also for you to understand what Xenos is about and what Xenos can do for you. Sabi nitong iPhone, nakita ko po yung video niya. Ang rude niya
This
po
meeting
Hello
is
kay
being
everyone,
Sir
thanks for
Adrian.
coming along.
Actually
You've
guys,
been
ako
here
hindi ko
with
nga
me.
nakita. But must be a good watch. Entertaining ba? Good evening, Sir Adrian, and to all Ziggles community. Ingat po ang lahat at maulan ang panahon. Wow, so maulan pala ngayon lately sa Luzon. I've been hearing a lot of things na medyo maulan lately, no? Masama nga ang panahon and probably because ano na syempre rainy seasons is coming but sometimes guys, you just have to prepare for the weather and when you're prepared, Eventually, you'll weather it out. Good evening po, sir. Naulan po ba dyan sa inyo? Currently, ma'am, dito sa Davao City, hindi po naulan masyado. Fair naman ang weather, no? But nung time na wala pa ako dito, medyo maulan talaga, masama ang panahon. Siguro ganun talaga, ma'am. Pag wala ako sa isang lugar, masama ang panahon. Kasi nung nasa Manila ako, hindi naman masama ang panahon. Oo, ganun. um, ano lang, swerte lang. Oh, parang iniiwasan ako ng masamang panahon. Well, yes, ma'am. Always naman po yun, ma'am. Ma'am Marino. Very, very maingat talaga ako. Well, si admin lalo na ngayon, medyo maingat din naman si admin, pero mukhang may nakakalusot tonight, no?
See what they're saying before
Well,
we.
sa bagay, may effort din naman talaga yan. So, kung sino man yung pumapasok ngayon, may effort din siya, no? So, syempre, paano mo matalo? Doblehin mo lang din yung effort mo. Ganun lang talaga. But anyways, papasukin lang natin yung mga ibang community members and then we'll begin, no? And kung meron kayong mga questions, gusto niyo mga clarifications, now is the time before we start, no? Para hindi I can address your questions, I can address your concerns, or anything that we can talk about before we begin. And syempre, while we're waiting as well for other community members to come in. And I hope nakapag-dinner na ang lahat and syempre yung mga papasok pa, nakapag-bihis, mag-relax galing sa trabaho or galing sa business or ano bang ginagawa ninyo, syempre, no, this is our time for us to really talk about signals, no? And you can ask me questions or anything. Ayun, nga lang, medyo nice comments, spamming. Anyways, feel free to continue, no, doing your thing. We'll leave you behind. You can message in the comment section as much as you want, but that's only about it. Papasukin lang yung ibang community members and then we'll probably
This meeting is
begin
being recorded.
let's say 8:50 or 9. Yeah, let's use this time and space, no, for some community members kasi alam ko naman may mga iba dyan, may mga concerns, may mga tanong, and pwede kung kayong sagutin ngayon, mas mabuti at mas mainam, di ba? Let's give a shout out to some of our community members that's still coming and joining. No, papasukin lang natin sila. Well, hello to Ma'am Annalisa Rosales, April of Team Signals Pinas, Ayumi Azumi of Amen, Ma'am Cel Celeste. It was nice speaking with you, Ma'am Cel Torres, Cherry Ann Paalaman, Coach Melvin Pokis, Edwin Rose Amagsila, Ernie Roy, Fernando, Francisca, Helen Grace Botterreal, and of course, eto si Jaime Diquilla, Jared Duterte, Jeneline Dasas, Josie, Joy, Ma'am Lani Teresita, Leandro of Globe Trade, ex-Bisdak, Lito Abisamis, Ma'am Lauren Cortez, Lori Santos, Luzminda Gozon, Marife, Ma'am Marites Tornillo, Ma'am Marivic Garcia, Martha Stewart, Mayora, Merlita Zulueta, Ma'am Michi Morco of Team Boss NK ng Antipolo Hub, Miguel Luberia, Miraflor, Mitsis iPhone, and of course, Abraham Estrada Jr., Jello Migs of Payaman, Prexy, ayan, Raul Salazar, Ryan, Arnel Roldan of Unstoppable, Ruby Bonite, Ryan Hunasa, Cheryl Adriano, Stephen Canatoy, Team Signals Pinas, Drew. Oh, good evening sa inyong lahat, no? And ito pa, Unit 19K. Si Sir Felix, Veronica Perez, Yul Monterola, Bernie Rebuya, Hill Watts. Oh, hindi pala to si Sir Bernie. Grabe talaga ang effort ng mga ngayon pumapasok sa atin. Impersonating people, impersonating some community members that are very active here in Signals. That's quite alarming, assuming an identity of a person just to cause or try to cause instability in a very strong and stable community built on strong values.
If you need
Well,
a community to run a scheme,
it's not bad to
go
try,
for it.
but You can only try as much as you can. Feel free to try. Good evening, Pastor Ridian. I was able to convince some of my friends to allocate in Signals number 6. Yeah. Well, congratulations to you, Ma'am Yul Monterola. And ito, meron tayong isang community member watching from Qatar. Sa lahat na nandito si Ma'am Jeneline Dasas, no? Ayan, Lai of Team Manual AA.
This meeting is
Eto,
being recorded.
from Bohol. Our Bohol community is growing. Our Visayas community is getting stronger and growing each and every day. No? Syempre, para naman dito sa nag-ano. Well, if nadala kayo sa itong mga, nga, sabi ko na nga ba si Danny De Hecto eh. Danny. Ayan, Danny is here. Hello. Danny is here. Hi. Look like an AI, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, okay. You're not an AI. Nice. It's nice to see. You have a stapler. That's cool. I love that stapler. So reminds me of my student days. I used to staple papers on it. Great. Thank you. Actually, you're looking for more content or blog. I can suggest a lot of things. Yeah, but thanks for promoting Zingles, by the way. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Mm. Yeah, I heard you sent a report in CIDG and CIDG reported to me, which was quite nice. Nice of you. Thanks, by the way. Yeah. Still waiting for your lawyers. Yeah. Well, they are working on it. So I don't have to do anything or think about it actually, Danny. I'm just gonna let them do their work and I'm gonna do mine. I'm not an expert in law. They are.
Turn the mic
Yeah. I'd rather not sue you, you're in a different country.
on.
It would be a waste of time and resources, honestly. You can do your thing. Your it's your free will. It's your free choice to say whatever you want. Yeah. Mm. Mhm. Ayan. Good evening to Sir Noel Dizon. How are you, Sir Noel? Yan. Let's ignore him, Sir Eden. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore him. Let's just for Yeah, you can ask me questions, guys, para din, no, ma-distract din ako kay who's this guy? Danny. The heck. Yeah. You're free to make content, Danny. It's free marketing, by the way, which I love. I'm just gonna set up some things here to monetize his page. How many followers does Danny have, guys, in his page or YouTube channel? Mm-hmm. Hello to Ma'am Annalisa. How are you, Ma'am? It's been a while. We trust in you, Sir Eden. Well, hello, Ma'am Bing. Ma'am, nako din sa Davao. I am here in Davao City, by the way. Yeah. To monetize his page. Yeah, how many subscribers does he have? Or followers even? Hello to Ma'am Fema Ricard. Marami pa tayong mga community members na papasok pa, guys. Ayan, syempre nade-delay lang. Kasi eto nga, kumbaga, may nanggugulo lang sa atin, no, for a while. Actually, guys, speaking of nanggugulo, parang pareho lang 'yan sa masamang panahon na nangyayari diyan din 'yun sa inyo sa Manila, no, habang wala ako diyan sa Manila. Siyempre sa nasabi niyong maulan, masama ang panahon, parang may bagyo. Just think of Danny as another typhoon. He's just gonna pass, dadaan siya, magpapaulan ng mga kung ano-anong comments, pagkatapos, ayun na, daraan lang. Oo, gano'n talaga, eh, that's life. Like, magkakaroon ka talaga ng mga haters, mga kontra sa'yo, kasi hindi maganda walang ano, walang plot twist sa story kung wala kang walang chuma-challenge sa'yo. Walang, kumbaga lumalaban, 'di ba? Oo. So, hayaan niyo lang 'yan siya. Let him do his thing and we do our thing. Ganun lang. Hello to Ma'am Cheryl Adriano. Ma'am Cheryl, yeah. Hello, how are you, ma'am? We trust you, Sir Adrian. Your trades alone is the proof itself. I'm a gold trader as well, sir. Wow, that's nice, sir. That's good to hear. Actually, I do trade gold, futures gold from time to time, depending kung whether I feel like it. Yeah. Eto, sad man. Yeah, oh. Actually, I'm a very sad man. I feel so sad lately. Oh. Can we disable comments admins para hindi daw makasira ang nakapasok na scammer, nanggugulo siya at wala naman naniniwala sa kanya or eliminate na lang po siya because Signals is number one. Nag-power up na Sir Adrian ng todo. Yes, nakapag-power up na talaga ako ng todo. Grabe, matinding power up ang mga pinaggagawa ko, guys. Syempre, no, that's all for you. Antayin lang natin, we will begin by 9 PM. Ganyan talaga pag legit, madaming naninira, pag-inggit, pikit, well, hayaan nyo. But anyways guys, di ba, ang nakakapansin sa atin, hindi mga lokal, international tayo. Ganun yung mga attention, ang level ng attention na nakukuha natin guys, international. That's the league that we are in. Kailan po sir ang anniversary ng Signal? So we officially opened November 20, 2025, but we had our soft launching February 15, 2026. So I would say I would set the anniversary date next year, February 15, 2026. But we will probably have other big events tulad ng pagka-December, year-end awards, and some other big events
This
that
meeting
me
is
and Paul
being
are
recorded.
discussing as well, no? Power up daw talaga sa Signals. Yan. Si Ma'am Malay, Team LA. Bakit yan nakapasok ang ganyan dito, sir? Nahihirap pa Signals. Well, Sir Stephen Canatoy, ano yan, sir? Para ano din, may excitement din yung Zoom session natin araw-araw. Kasi kung walang ganyan, kumbaga, wala nang nagcha-challenge sa atin. And I always welcome and I'm always open to challenges. Hello daw from Team Chicago. Iba na talaga ang Signal, sikat na umabot na hanggang sa ibang bansa. Yes, actually we do have a lot of community members. US, Canada, Singapore, Dubai, Saudi, Jeddah, Australia, name it. Taiwan, even Singapore. Ah. So, sabi ni Sir Abraham Estrada, baka katapos lang niyang na-scam, Sir, tulad ko at mga iba pang nag-enroll sa FCIG and YepBit na close last July 31. Actually, sir, this is the first time I heard about FCIG and YepBit. I should know dahil mas pinilit ko yun kaysa Zigong's thinking, Australian-based crypto trading daw kuno. Ayon, sarado na mga African
This
mafia
meeting
pala.
is being
So,
recorded.
naisahan kayo ng mga Afrikano, sir. Sa madaling salita. Kailan po, sir? Ayan, ito, nasagot ko na to. No? Hello to Ma'am Babes, Ma'am Beverly Garcia. Ayan. Oh. Okay lang yan, hayaan niyo yan, no? Sir Adrian, ilang branches na tayo sa Philippines? So, ma'am, we are going 18 branches. So, official 16, pero we have 2 that's incoming already. And may mga fina-finalize lang din ako dito in a certain city and a certain area here in Mindanao. Sir, invite natin si Danny sa first anniversary. Sure, why not? Wala namang problema. Pero I'm very concerned with Danny's safety as well kasi baka mabugbog niyo si Danny or kung anong gawin niyo kay Danny. So it's best na wag na lang siguro invite. Gagatas pa sa Pinoy mga banyagang walang yagbol. Sabi ni Sir Jello Migs, no? Oh. Sir Adrian, magandang maulan na gabi. Yes, it's masarap ang ulan, guys. It makes you think a lot of things. Senti-senti, marami kang mga bagay na iisip. So, maganda din pag umuulan, no? Sa tuwing umuulan, kapiling ka. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Ayan, dami na namang comments niya. Admin, please take care of it. Medyo naanoy na kasi yung mga ibang community members natin, no? That's joining. Oo, medyo istorbo talaga. Oh. Although the picture and the edit, the AI edit looks nice, guys. I have to commend, no? Maganda naman. Oo, I like it. The design. Oh, so good. Oo, ganun talaga. Watching you, si Golden Hour Meeting, watching me from Singapore. More power po sa lahat ng Xenos community. Sir, Golden Hour Meeting, if we can build a bigger community in Signals, I'd like to visit you in Singapore, no? So, let's work on that, sir. Let's build our Xenos community in Singapore. Alam ko may mangilan-ngilan na tayong community members sa Singapore, and it would be nice to boost our community growth and expansion in Singapore, no? And I hope to visit you there, sir, no? Para din naman na syempre, no, you get to see me personally, you get to hear me or talk about me,
This
no?
meeting is
We
being
can
recorded.
we can get to know each other personally. Sabi ni Sir Abraham Estrada Jr. Yeah, actually sir, I know Sir Brian Lim. 'Di ba may mall yan siya sa Dagupan? Yeah, I was a very young JCs or JCI when during his time as a national president, and he even became world president ng JCI. Yeah. Vice mayor or mayor of Dagupan City before. Mas nagkaroon ako ng confidence with Signals after learning from my invitee, Coach Melvin, na past president po pala kayo ng JCI. My former boss was the world president ng JCI din po, si Sir Brian Lim, no, from Dagupan City. I know we held my first national Bangus capital sa Dagupan. And it was a memorable. I was 17 years old or 18 years old at that time when I went into Dagupan. That was what almost 12 years, 11 years ago. It's been a long time. Usong-uso pa noon ang Clash of Clans, no? Na mga laro sa mobile phone. It was a good time. It's my first time
This
visiting
meeting
Dagupan
is
at that
being
time, and
recorded.
natikman ko yung masarap na food nila, yung pigar-pigar. Pigar-pigar, mga bangus, ganun. In a sense, napakaganda mag-host ng Dagupan City, and it was a memorable time for me. And yeah, Sir Brian Lim, Senator Brian Lim, and World President Brian Lim. Such a great person, by the way. Yeah, I was a very young person back then. I was not even a president, no? At that time. Hello to Ma'am Says, good evening. Every time, sir, you always show us how legit we are. Yeah, no problem. Very, very basic, no? Oh. Ayun, sino ba yan? Nandiyan naman si Mike Hunt. Oo, nagpe-present din sa Mike Hunt ng sarili niya. Well, Mike, Danny, you can create your own Zoom session, by the way. Now, yeah, kasi mali vlog niya. Na-mute po. Ginagaya yata ako. Ayan. Well, anyways, guys, it's going 9 p.m. and let's start, no? Papasok naman din yung iba. Let's set this up, no? And then once we begin, syempre, lalo na sa mga bagong community members dyan, I'd like to personally apologize to you for the things that are happening in our comment section. If you find or feel that it's true, you may leave our Zoom session. If you think this is a scam, do not put your funds. Ganun lang kasimple. But if you want or you really want to understand signals and as to why, no? As to why Signals made crypto trading easier, as to why Signals was able to help our community members achieve profitable returns, then this is the avenue, this is the space for you to learn
This meeting is
about
being
what
recorded.
Signals can do for you and what Signals is about. And I'd like to formally welcome everyone. And by the way, someone is attempting again to control my computer live. But anyways, let me continue. So now I'd like to welcome you all to Signals, guys. And first of all, I'd like to introduce you to my partner, to my co-founder, to our Chief Executive Officer, our CEO, Mr. Paul Dominic Aquino, a graduate in Far Eastern University with a Bachelor of Science degree and a major in business economics. And for over 15 years, Paul has been managing their family's corporate businesses. And without Paul's funding, without Paul's support, I wouldn't be able to build Signals into where it is today. And syempre, to formally introduce myself, lalo na sa mga bagong community members, no? And maybe, if still Dan is still watching, my name is Adrian Archaga. I am 29 years old, born and raised in Kidapawan. I lived in Davao as I studied and graduated in Ateneo de Davao University with a degree in media and business. But before ako naging co-founder, chief operating officer, trading operations manager ng Signals, I was also the president of JCI Central Davao. Para po sa mga lahat or karamihan na hindi nakakalam, JCI is a non-profit organization na karamihan sa mga members nito is either politicians or businessmen all over the Philippines and all over the world. This is the avenue, this is the space at a very young age that honed me into who I am today. This is where I learned how to do business and manage business as well. This is where I developed my leadership skills and communication skills. This is where I learned how to raise funds and manage funds as well. Now, the opportunity for me to start learning about cryptocurrency trading started way back 2017 when some of my JCI friends urged me to put some money on Bitcoin. At that time, it was not my priority back then. My main focus was my clients in the investment banking space, finance space, mergers and acquisition space, where what I do is I manage the funds of my clients, I analyze markets, I analyze deals, I analyze companies and businesses, and we acquire those companies and businesses in order for the funds of my clients to have a steady growth and long yield over a long period of time. So, hindi na bago sa akin ang mag-manage ng funds ng aking clients, no? So, I have been doing it for a while now. So, the opportunity for me to delve deeper into cryptocurrency started during the pandemic when some of my US-based clients were affected. In turn, I was affected as well. And it was a difficult time for me and everyone else. There was a global financial economic shutdown. Pahirapan sa paggalaw, pahirapan sa paglabas, mahal ang mga bilihin. But instead of doing things that do not add
This
value
meeting
to
is
my
being
life,
recorded.
I tried to find new ways to earn online. And this is where I stumbled upon cryptocurrency trading again. When I saw one of my friends who started with a 10,000 pesos futures trading account and was able to turn it into 1 million pesos. Doon ko nakita na pwede ka palang kumita ng malaki, mabilis, in a span of few hours dito sa cryptocurrency trading, specifically sa futures market or futures trading. To be honest, when I initially started, I had losses. But those losses were lessons to be learned. And it made me want to learn it and understand it more. And I initially gathered knowledge and information from my JCI friends, from my cryptocurrency friends. And sadly, that knowledge was not enough. I had to really learn it on my own. So, ginugel ko, ni-research ko, inaral ko, nanood ako ng mga YouTube videos, nag-follow ng mga trader influencers, crypto influencers, sumali sa mga trader groups, crypto alpha groups, and I even followed coaches and mentors. And I even bought their courses as well. And over time, I was able to build my skills, my experience, and my own insights and my own fund and portfolio as well. Now, syempre, at that time, when I was able to build it, late 2024, I was able to meet my friend Paul again. And I initially pitched to Paul that I wanted to build an educational trading platform. Why? Bakit? I wanted to fill a gap in the market. And what is that gap in the market? Napakarami pong mga taong gustong matuto, maintindihan ang cryptocurrency trading.
I'm
Napakarami
just
pong mga
flooding the
tao
chat
ang
room.
gustong
People will be
gawing
pissed off. Quite funny.
pagkakakitaan, gustong kumita through sa cryptocurrency trading. And I wanted to provide value to those people. And initially, at first, Paul was a skeptic. Paul was
Paul was a
hesitant.
skeptic, and now he
But
owns the company.
when he trusted some of his funds with me and I was able to prove myself to him, this is where we started collaborating together in building Signals into where it is today. And we started with a simple but uncompromising mission. We started to grow capital with discipline, to build value with integrity, and to create long-term impact for people and communities with our structure and with our system. And today, I am very proud to say, with our mission, we have already made crypto trading easier, approachable, accessible,
I love it.
straight to the point for
What's he done?
everyone,
There's
and
no
of
proof of
course,
any trading at all.
profitable for all of our community members, while also building a supportive community that
Yeah, it's all
grows
about
together.
community and faith and
We are
belief.
data-driven,
This meeting
trustworthy,
is being recorded.
innovative by pushing the boundaries and limits,
Pushing the
and
boundaries
we
of nothing.
always test, no, in producing, creating, building decentralized financial products and services that pave the way for financial freedom, financial security for every community member here in Signals. So now, let's talk about cryptocurrency.
Talk about
We are
you
now at
and
an
me.
age wherein our society has finally
This meeting is being
innovated,
recorded.
transcended into a
He can't
cashless
help but bring people in,
society.
can he?
No? So, syempre, we are now at that age. And cryptocurrency is
We're
a
at that
new
age.
form of digital currency in which transactions are verified and records are maintained using cryptography. And what is cryptography? But a series of complex algorithms, complex puzzles that can only be processed and only be solved using computer processors. It created a decentralized financial system na hindi mo na kailangan ng bangko, hindi mo na kailangan ng gobyerno, ng tao para kontrolin, dayain, manipulahin ang ating financial system. And a new financial market emerged. Ito po yung cryptocurrency market. Wherein cryptocurrencies tulad ng Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple are being traded with the aim to profit from its price changes. It's actually similar to another financial market, which is the Forex market, wherein fiat currencies tulad ng peso, dollar, yuan, yen is being traded as well with the aim to profit from its price changes. The only difference is si fiat currency, si forex, si peso, si dollar is based on a centralized financial system controlled, manipulated by banks and governments. Now, Signals is here not only designed to educate, but to make crypto trading easier. And of course, we have made a clear blueprint, no, several blueprints that help our community members achieve profitable returns. Now, syempre, how does this work?
Doesn't
How
work.
does this work? Out of all the financial markets, si cryptocurrency market is pinaka-volatile sa lahat because of its rapid and significant price swings. Ibig sabihin nun,
Check out this
mabilis ang
lady.
pag-angat ng presyo, mabilis din ang pagbaba.
This
But
meeting is being
because of that
recorded.
So this looks like the lady
volatility,
that's kicking me out all the time.
therein lies the opportunity as well na pwede tayong kumita ng malaki. And unlike traditional
Yeah, that looks
financial
like a support
markets,
staff.
cryptocurrency market is so on
Is that a lady
demand
or a man?
that it operates
This freaking
around the
crack up.
clock, 24/7, 24 hours.
So let's
So
see.
it paved the way. It gave everyone around the
I'm
world
going to
the
actually make
unlimited opportunity,
my
the
next.
unlimited
I'm going to rename myself
potential na pwede kang mag-trade at kumita
Real
anytime,
Me
anywhere mo gusto
6
na kahit
Pro.
madaling araw pa yan, hapon,
Let's see
umaga,
if I
gabi,
can rename
or
myself to
whatever
this
time,
person.
no, na comfortable ka and gusto mong mag-trade kumita, pwede mong gawin. So, ibig sabihin nun,
Let's see if we
maganda
can
siya
kick
kasi
out both
bakit?
these people.
Pwede mo siyang ipagsabay kahit
So
nag-aaral ka
that
pa dyan,
lady
kahit
man in the
nagtatrabaho
picture
ka pa dyan,
disappears.
kahit
You'll know why.
nagninegosyo ka pa dyan, nagbabantay ng bata, or kung anumang ginagawa mo sa buhay,
Let's see who
pwede
gets
mo
kicked out
itong
first.
ipagsabay na pwede kang mag-trade at kumita anytime, anywhere. And ito pa ang best part, guys. Since owning cryptocurrencies, no, these are financial assets that steadily grow in value over time. And what are these major cryptocurrencies? Siyempre, unang-una, ito po
Let's
si
see if
Bitcoin.
this
It was
guy in the picture
created
gets
by
kicked out.
none other than Satoshi Nakamoto to solve the problem of a centralized financial
Whoa.
system. Walang decentralized finance, walang cryptocurrency kung walang Bitcoin. Right now, it's already considered similar to
Let's
digital
give them a
gold.
lecture about
Ganun na po
cryptocurrency. I mean, this is
ka-valuable
like
si
rerunning
Bitcoin
a
because of its
1985
limited supply
scheme.
of 21 million coins. But since Bitcoin is the first, Bitcoin is the most original, it was only designed to be a form of currency. Hence its limitations as well. You cannot build things on top of it. Dito na po pumasok si Ethereum, wherein it's another decentralized platform, but it enables developers to build and run smart contracts and various decentralized applications. No? It attracted a lot of users in the cryptocurrency space, and eventually, nung dumami talaga ang users, they discovered na si Ethereum, bumabagal ang bilis ng transactions niya, and nagmamahal din ang processing fees and gas fees niya. Ethereum was so premium that most of its users are the big financial institutions.
I think they kicked
the
him out.
financial whales.
How
So,
funny is that?
dito pumasok si Solana. Because of Solana's proof of history
So
concept,
that is a cracker.
regardless if napakaraming users, no,
Now I'm going
it
to
was
rename
able
myself
to
back to his
maintain
name
a high-speed blockchain
and see
platform
whether they
na mabilis
mint
pa rin
twice.
ang transactions and mura pa rin ang processing fees and gas fees mo.
Oh, that's a
Now,
crack up.
it attracted
So
a
let's see
lot
who
of
else has got a
users,
camera
no?
on.
Cryptocurrency
Let's get them kicked out
enthusiasts
next.
and retail traders all over
Gotta entertain
the
yourself
world.
while you're here.
Now, let's talk about XRP.
Let's talk about
XRP
XRP.
was created by Ripple
Someone else
to
got a camera on?
facilitate the movement
I think you
of
can actually
low-cost
make
international
it
money for financial
to show
institutions. And ano ba to na mga
hide
financial
non-video
institutions?
participants.
These
He's
are
the
your
only
own
one.
country's
So we
central
managed to
banks
get Realme
moving
6 Pro kicked out.
big amounts of money from one country's central bank into another country's central bank. Oh, nawala ang voice ko. Hello, hello, hello. I think, sir, bakit daw nawala? Meron, sir. Okay, voice. Now, good. Oh. So, anyways, no? Hayaan nyo lang yan siya. Mapapagod din yan. Oh. Well, we're moving big amounts of money from one country's central bank into
They
another
think
country's
they're moving
central
any
bank.
money.
Before, gumagamit po tayo ng mga intermediaries tulad ng SWIFT. Mabagal and then mahal din ang processing fees. But today, through the form of cryptocurrency, in the form of XRP, our central banks today is now able to do or able to move big amounts of money from one country's central bank into another country's central bank, doing cross-border, cross-chain transactions. And what does that imply for everyone? If the central banks have already accepted cryptocurrency
If
and have already been using
I
cryptocurrency,
don't think so.
then we can now finally say that cryptocurrency is already here to stay and grow with us. It's already here to be more part of our lives. It's already here to be more integrated
Yeah,
into our
so you just need
society,
Adrian to
to
help
be
you
more
out.
integrated into our financial economy. So now, sa mga wala pang accounts dyan, Danny, or whoever you are, simply register or create an account. You can use the referral code that was given to you. And after nyo mag-register, simply deposit. You can use e-wallets, bank transfers, and cryptocurrency wallets. After nyo mag-deposit, wala na kayong ibang gagawin, wala nang babantayan, wala nang tututok-tutukan, wala nang mga gagawin na pindot-pindot at kung ano-ano pa, walang copy-paste, no? Simply click execute trades right away and kikita ka na agad-agad daily profit, no? Mapa 1% gain, mapa 2% gain, mapa 3% gain, no? Ganun lang kasimple. So now, napakadami na pong mga tao ang na-attract dito sa cryptocurrency, no? There are a lot of people have been attracted sa cryptocurrency. Unang-una because, no? Unang-una because, syempre,
Asking some
maraming
question
kita
now.
dito sa cryptocurrency
How can we trust
because
not
of
a
the
scam? How
volatility
can I see
and
the
the
trades?
potential gains, no? Volatility and potential gains, kaya kumikita tayo ng malaki. And marami na pong kumita ng malaki dito sa cryptocurrency. Pero marami din pong nagkaroon ng losses dito sa cryptocurrency trading.
Have been removed.
Because
On my
diving
motherboard.
into something that you do not fully understand is
You don't
always
understand it.
overwhelming and risky. But Zignos is here to guide you, to give you the best practices, the best strategies for you to safely navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Sabi ni Dar, how can we trust this is not a scam? Let me address that, no?
He's already kicked.
Unang-una, Dar, if you think that we are a scam, simply do not put your funds. The
Can't
reason
answer
why
that
we're not a
question.
scam, we are talking about trading here, and everyone can see that I do my live trading sessions online.
Oh,
I
brilliant.
always update everyone with our live trading portfolios, with our
Live
losses,
trading on what?
gains, and profits. And I do not give unrealistic get-rich-quick schemes or high
Okay,
gains
so
that
you
are
gotta trust
impossible.
Adrian.
That's the thought of it, no?
Oh my goodness.
Oo. So, yan, dami palang mga comments na nagbabasa ako. So, now, every community member here in Zignos is enjoying daily growth each and every day, each and every month,
Okay.
no? Designed
He's building his
for
network
long-term
by
sustainability,
building trust with people.
long-term stability, and consistent growth over a long period of time. This is true. Our managed trading system, wherein we are gonna manage
Trading
your
system. Is
trades
that
for
slow?
you. And syempre, no,
Ooh,
these
compounding
are
income.
our new
Where does
structures
the
and plans
money
and
come from
programs. Very, very
to
limited
pay out the
allocations.
compounding
I
money?
decided to
Whose money
limit
do
our
you do that
allocations
with?
or vacancies for this Signals number 4 and Signals number 5 because I want to maintain the standard, the quality of work that we deliver, that me and the trading team
He's not
are
letting us
able to
in, so we're going to
ensure
open up
that the
another
funds that you entrusted with us
window.
will grow 300%
We'll have 3 windows
in the
one.
next 5 months through our Signals number 4
Oh, 5
program,
months, always in
which
the
is
future.
60% per month. But if you think about it, 60% in 1 month is just 2% growth every day. And the best part here, you do not need to overthink. You don't need to have anxieties,
Oops.
worries, or
Yeah,
mag-alala
just
sa
all of
perang
there, 1 minute.
ipinasok, ipinagkatiwala mo dito sa
Here we
Signals.
go.
Bakit? First month pa lang, 10% ng net income mo, pwede mo nang i-withdraw. Second month, another 10%. Third
Excellent.
month, another 10%.
It's just
And
going to be
fourth month,
gazillion
another
years by the end of the year.
10%. And then on the
Trading's just
fifth
going to
month,
get easier and easier.
260%. Plus, kuha mo na ang buong kapital mo.
Oh,
Ang maganda dito sa Signals number
somebody
4,
else.
buwan-buwan, ramdam na ramdam mo, meron kang kita, para kang sinasahuran dito sa Signals every month, no? And kung titingnan mo,
People
ito
turning their
ang
cameras
Signals
on.
number 4 natin na income chart. So sabihin natin, meron kang panimula, 100,000 pesos, no? Kasi marami na pong nagsimula dito sa malaking amount, even mas malaki pa dito sa nakikita ninyo sa ating income chart, no? So sabihin natin 100,000. First month up to fourth month, meron kang kita each and every month 10,000 each, no?
Wow.
And then on the fifth month, 260% growth, kumita ka ng 260,000 and then kasama yung kapital, kaya naging 360,000 yan.
That's incredible.
Overall, yung 100,000 mo after 5
money's
months,
just coming out from all over the
naging
place.
400,000 pesos.
What's that
So,
lady doing, man?
eto pa.
It's got one eye
Kung gusto mo
Joe.
naman, mas mahaba-haba. Signals number 5,
Mahaba-haba?
long-term plan. 6 months, no? Overall, total growth, 330% or 55%
There it is.
each and every month. So if you think about it, 55% each and every month is just 1.8%
Unheard of.
growth every day. The best part here, hindi mo rin kailangan mag-overthink, mag-alala, mag-worry kung ano nangyari sa pera mo sa
Real
loob
knees
ng
like
6 na
upside
buwan.
down.
Kasi first month pa lang, 15% ng income mo pwede mo nang i-withdraw.
Too good to be
Second
true.
month, another 15%. Third month, another 15%. Fourth month, another 15%. And then on the fifth month,
This meeting is being
135%.
recorded.
And then on the sixth month, another 135%. Plus, kuha mo na ang buong kapital mo. And eto pa guys, no? Dito sa Signals number 4 and 5, maraming nagsasabi, no? Kung titingnan mo,
All right,
it's
we're
just
going to get rid
1.8%
of
growth sa Signals number 5. Sa Signals number 4, 2%. No? For example, no? Nagsimula ka, sabihin natin 200,000 pesos.
Realme.
On your first month, no? Ay, hindi. Sige. On your first month, that's already 30,000 pesos. Second month, another 30,000. Third month, another 30,000. Fourth month, another 30,000. And then on the fifth month, 270,000. And then on the sixth
Let's get
month,
this guy.
270,000 plus kasama na ang buong kapital mo, a total of 470,000.
Is this his business partner?
Yung 200,000 mo sa loob ng 6 na buwan, naging 860,000 in total dito sa ating Signals number 5 long-term plan. Alam nyo guys, no? Dito
Here
sa
we
ating
go.
dalawa
This
pa
will be
lang na
fun.
plan, no? Sa
Watch
Signals
this.
number 4 and sa Signals number 5.
I wonder if I can
Kung
actually.
ikaw, no, marami kasing iba nagsasabi, sir, ang liit naman yan, 2% every day. 1.8% every day, sir. If ikaw, naghahanap ka ng double your money, triple your money, quadruple your money, 300%, 400%, 500% na gain in 2 weeks, in 1 month, in a very short span of time, get rich quick schemes, then I'm telling you right now, you can now leave this Zoom session kasi hindi ka po para dito. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na ang hinahanap mo, long-term sustainability,
Here we go. They'll let me in now.
long-term
These guys are
stability,
easy, mate.
and consistent growth
So the guy
over
at the
a
top
long
of the
period
screen,
of
I've just
time,
used his name
then
and put iPhone
Signals is for
in
you.
it at the end.
Alam
So
nyo
now
ba,
they'll think he's trying to connect on
ang
his iPhone
current,
and on his desktop
ang
computer,
current
and they should let
annual
me in.
growth ng ating traditional savings account or basic savings account sa bangko only has an annual growth of 0.006%. Ang ating
Does it
current
work, Judah?
market inflation is at 7.2%. So if you multiply nyo yan, no, in 12 months or 1 year, that's 86%. Now, versus that into your savings account, that's already negative 86% annually. So kung ikaw, meron kang tinatagong pera sa baul, mga savings mo sa bangko, mga sweldo mo buwan-buwan or kinsenas, kung ramdam mo na kulang, hindi sapat, parati kang nabibitin, need mo pa humanap ng mga kung ano-anong sideline, mga ibang pinagkakakitaan, it's because of our market inflation slowly creeping away, slowly eating away at your savings. Hindi lang dahil nagmahal ang mga bilihin, hindi lang dahil nagmahal ang gasolina, but since 1990, the value of our peso, our currency, has steadily been going down. So
Oh,
now, through here in Signals, through our decentralized financial products, financial services, tulad ng Signals number 1 natin, 30% growth each and every month. Signals number 4, currently still available. Meron pang allocations na
oh,
titira.
so they ran out. You could
60%
buy a
growth each
bigger
and every month.
package.
It's just 2% every day. No? A total of 300% growth in the next 5 months. Signals number 5, 330% in the next 6 months overall growth, no? Which is just 55% growth per month. Your account, your fund accounts will grow on those percentages, able to combat.
This is mathematically impossible.
And guys, no, I also have a very, very special offer para sa inyong lahat. But this is only limited and this is only exclusive to a few number of community members.
Obviously, pumping as much money out as you can to keep the illusion alive.
Because this is a long-term, high-interest, high-growth account. 3.05% growth every day. That totals to 106.7% growth every 35 days. No? Long-term compounded siya na plan for the next 105 days or 3 months, guys. So, eto, the reason why I created a very limited number of this, and the reason why this is very, very exclusive.
You might as well be a fortune teller. Are you telling me even though if crypto dies, you can still pay a profit? You should be knighted by the king.
Entrusted their funds that they solely work hard for, no, to Signals. So ngayon, this is a income chart of Signals number 6. So for example, meron kang panimula, 50,000, no? Yung first cycle, first 35 days, yung 50,000 mo, that's already 103,350 pesos. Another 35 days, second cycle, 70 days already, naging 213,624.45 pesos. And then on the third cycle, a total of 105 days, naging 441,561.
Criminal record.
But still, ako, alam ko po na hindi po lahat dito kayang magsimula sa amount, no? Kayang magsimula sa amount na ramdam talaga nila. Nakikita sila. Kasi the secret here is kung lalakihan mo ang panimula mo, edi mas ramdam at mas malaki ang
Didn't like
tubo
that
mo.
one.
Ganun lang. Pero hindi po lahat ng tao capable po gawin yan. So, dito pumapasok ang isang another opportunity na pwede ninyong gawin, kung gusto nyong gawin, optional, na if gagawin ninyo, kahit maliit man yan or malaki ang panimula nyo, meron na naman kayong affiliate program na pwede ninyong pagkakakitaan na kahit maliit man yan or malaki,
Still wonder who's
pwede
admitting
kayong
people
kumita
into
ng
the room.
malaki dito sa Signals. Because of our affiliate program, nakikita ka ng 10% affiliate commission sa bawat
So
direct
the money just goes
affiliate na
out, out,
meron
out.
ka. Sa
What do
kahit
they trade with?
magkanong amount man yan ang panimula nila, ang dinadagdag nila, no? And the best part dito sa affiliate na program, kung gagawin mo to, hindi mo kailangang mag-antay ng 5 buwan, ng 6 na buwan, ng 30 days, ng 140 days, or kung anong plan man ang kinuha mo dito sa Signals.
Just too
Kasi
good to be
if
true. ladies and
gagawin mo
gentlemen.
tong affiliate program, pwede, tonight, today, right now, ora mismo, pwede ka nang kikita agad-agad through this affiliate program with your direct affiliates. Meron kang 10% direct affiliate commission each of your direct affiliates. And the best part here, hindi lang yan. Kahit konti lang yung direct affiliates mo or marami, either way, pwede kang kumita ng malaki. Bakit? Sabihin na natin sa 3 direct affiliates mo pa lang, ang panimula, tigwa 1 million pesos. Meron kang 10% each niyan. That's already 100,000 pesos. So a total of 300,000 pesos na
Wow.
pwede mong
And that money
kitain
comes out of
every
your
day,
fart jar.
every week, or every month. Bakit every day,
There's
every
more.
week, every month? Kasi hindi lang siya one time. As long as naglalagay, nagdadagdag, mapa today man yan, mapa everyday man yan, mapa this week, every week, or this month, every month,
Right, let's try using this guy's
paulit-ulit
name.
kang
See if that
kikita
works.
dito ng 10% affiliate commission. And eto pa, if maramihan naman, 10 direct
JAR.
affiliates for example, no, na merong panimula, tigwa $1,000
Ooh,
each.
we're in.
Meron kang 10%, which is $100.
All right, let's
So
get
sa
this
10
guy.
direct affiliates, that's already $1,000 or 60,000 pesos if converted in
let's
the
have some
Philippine
fun.
market. So, pwede mo tong
I'm
kitain.
going to
Could
get the
be in
guy
a
at the
week,
top
could
kicked
be
out.
every day, could be in a month, no? Depende na sa'yo. As long as naglalagay,
Okay, you watch this.
nagdadagdag, paulit-ulit kang
Leave.
kikita. And since paulit-ulit
Chat.
kang kikita, kahit sabihin na natin, every month, paulit-ulit kang kikita, sa lahat
This
ng
meeting
direct
is
affiliates
being
mo,
recorded.
mapakonti or mapamarami, no? This will give you a stable, consistent, long-term, additional source of income kung gagawin mo to. And ito pa ang matindi. Alam ko, lahat niyang direct affiliates mo,
Okay, let's see.
gusto din niyang kumita ng 10% affiliate commission. So, dito,
Right, now is he
papasok
still
no,
there?
sa bawat
The
indirect
top guy
affiliates
should
na
disappear
meron
in a
ka,
minute.
from second
Going
level
by the
up to
mentality
12
of the
level,
room.
meron kang bonus or affiliate bonus points, another extra income, no? Now, sabihin natin, ang indirect affiliates mo,
I see some
nagsimula sa
rude
$1,000.
words.
From second level up to third level, meron kang 250 points. Fifth level up to 8th level, 150 points. Ninth level up to 12th level, 50 points. Ito ang matindi. Bakit? Kasi wala ka nang ginagawa niyan. Yung mga direct affiliate mo na at ang mga
Okay, I'll go for
indirect
the second
affiliate
one
mo
now.
na ang nagpo-promote at ang nagre-refer dito sa Signals. Kahit natutulog ka na dyan, kahit nagtitrade, nagtatrabaho, umiinom, or kung anumang ginagawa mo sa buhay, meron at meron ang pumapasok sa iyo na affiliate bonus points kahit wala ka nang ginagawa. And hindi lang yan ang best part. From second level up to 12 level, kahit hindi mo nakakilala, kahit nasa ibang lugar na yan
Rude.
o ibang lupalot ng mundo, from second level up to 12 level,
All right, let's go.
lahat ng indirect affiliates mo, every time naglalagay, every time nagdadagdag ng kahit magkanong amount man yan, paulit-ulit ka rin kikita ng affiliate bonus points na wala ka nang ginagawa, no? Kahit tulog ka dyan, meron pumapasok sa'yo na affiliate bonus points. And by the way, 1 point is equivalent to 1 peso. So 250 points, 250 pesos. Ganun ka-simple, guys. And syempre, no, para sa mga bago sa trading, these are some of the common trading strategies that you guys need to know. Syempre, ikaw, kung gusto mong gawing career, ang pagtitrade, gusto mo gawing pagkakakitaan ang trading, pwede ka sa scalping and day trading. But this will require 80% technical analysis and 20% fundamentals analysis. Eto pa, syempre, kung ikaw gusto mo pa rin mag-trade and kumita, pero hindi mo kaya gawin everyday, marahil pwede ka sa swing trading, wherein you're holding your trades or positions for days or weeks to catch the larger trends. Pwedeng once a week, pwedeng twice a week, pwedeng 4 times every month, or pwedeng 8 times every month. Depende na po sa iyo yun. This will require 50% fundamentals analysis and 50% technical analysis. Ito namang si holding, I suggest that dapat itong gawin ng lahat and para ito sa lahat. But this will require patience and need mo talagang mag-antay ng mahabang panahon. It could be 3 months, it could be 5 months, it could be 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, 20 years even. Because you're buying and holding for the long term, ignoring the short-term
Long-term,
volatility in the market. No?
Aurum
And eto
Foundation
na,
did long term.
para sa mga bagong community members, no, I'd like you to understand
Hello,
that
they
this
shut
is
the chat room
why
off now.
Signals
They have.
is
They
so
finally figured they had
stable
to
as a
close the
company.
chat room off, so
And this
you
is
can only
why
talk
we
to
structured Signals for
new
long-term
bad words you get them.
sustainability, long-term stability, and of course, consistent growth over a long period of time. This is the reason, one of the reasons why, and one of the pillars of strength of Signals, no? Bakit si Signals hindi pang long-term, but for a lifetime? Bakit?
This
Well,
meeting is
these
being
are the
Yeah, I think
recorded.
they
allocation of
continue as well.
our excess gains or sobrang kita sa mga trades natin.
All right.
Well, para maintindihan nyo pa to, let's first go to the trades that we have executed together
Executed.
with our trading team.
Okay.
So dito sa Signals, we are always executing trades on a daily
These are
basis
screenshots.
together with
You can't
our
get any better
trading
than this.
team. And we are executing trades 10 to 30 trades, no?
On
Depending
their own
on
platform.
market condition. And
Brilliant.
syempre, depende talaga siya sa market condition. So sometimes, most of the time, if not so good market, 10 trades, 15 trades, no? But all of our trades na ina-execute namin every day together with our trading team is being shared, is being disclosed to all of our community members in all of our social media channels, guys. Bakit? This is for openness. This is for transparency because we value that. And we definitely understand the value of the money that was entrusted to Signals kasi hindi naman po biro yung mga perang ipinagkatiwala ninyo dito sa Signals. Hindi po biro. Pinaghirapan, pinagtrabahuan. So nararapat lamang na alam nyo po ang nangyayari sa bawat perang pinapasok, ipinagkatiwala, ipagkakatiwala pa ninyo dito sa Signals. So, these are some of the trades, no? Kita nyo, 421% gain, 101% gain. Ito pa, 206% gain, 190% gain, 259% gain, 110% gain. Well, baka tanungin niyo ako, Sir Adrian, no? Ang binibigay nyo sa amin, Sir Adrian, if you really think about it, no? Titingnan nyo, dito pa lang, no? Sa ating Ziggles number 4 and Ziggles number 5 is only 300%, 330% growth, no? Each and every month. Kung titingnan nyo, 300% and 330%, no? Sa loob ng 5 months and 6 months. My bad, no? So, yan ang overall growth na binibigay natin.
Got
So,
removed again.
ngayon, if meron tayong trade na isang trade pa lang to, 421.29%. Isang trade pa lang to, na-cover na po natin ang 330% growth sa isang sa loob ng 6 na buwan or ang 300% growth sa loob ng 5 buwan. 'Di ba? So, baka tanungin
Ooh,
niyo
excuse
ako,
me.
Sir Adrian, meron pang sobrang 121.29% gain. Saan po yan napupunta? Meron ka pang 101% dyan, meron ka pang 206% dyan. Well, guys, para maintindihan nyo, Si Signals is a company. Signals is a business as well. We are profiting, we are earning as well 15% in management fees. The best part here, kumikita kami, kumikita din kayo. No? Ganun lang kasimple and everybody happy. Next, 10% of our excess gains, no, or mga sobrang kita natin will be traded again to ensure the growth of all of your fund accounts. Ang maganda dito, no, 10% na nga sobrang kita or net gain na lang ang tinitrade. Safe na ang capital mo. Next, 10% system maintenance and operational expenses. So we are always improving, updating our Signals platform and Signals mobile application. Operational expenses, meron tayong admin support, chat support, ready to take care of you
There's just
and
money
assist
going out,
you
no proof of
should
any
you
money
have
going in.
any needs or any issues or problems. Next, 10% na ating sobrang kita, nilalagay po natin sa office operations, office rent, office staff, no? And syempre, office accommodations and legal compliance, which I'm proud to say, Signals is
compliance.
legally in
You
compliance
mentioned
with
me,
all
yeah?
of the Philippine
'Cause he ain't got
government laws. Meron tayong DTI, meron tayong SEC registration. We have legal teams that will take care of us and protect us, no? And as part of our syempre, no, as a company, we are required to have a legal team to handle all of our legal affairs. So now, 20% na mga sobrang kita or excess gains natin, syempre napupunta din ito sa community compensation
I got
and
removed.
rewards. So, what is this? Sinishare po natin ating mga sobrang kita. Ipinamamahagi po natin sa lahat ng community members dito sa Signals in the form of incentives. Outright cash incentive, gadget incentive, travel incentives, and kung ano-ano pang mga incentives, no? Depende na yan sa amin ni Paul. Next, this is one of the reasons as to why Signals has built a strong, solid, grounded foundation. Lahat po, 50% ng sobrang kita or excess gains, nilalagay po namin sa buffer liquidity, sa reserve buffer, or emergency funds, no? Should we have any unforeseen circumstances tulad ng daily losses, weekly losses, monthly losses, freezing and holding of accounts, no? Wala, or kahit anong unforeseen pa yan ng emergency, guys. Wala kayong dapat ipangamba dito sa Signals because meron tayong buffer liquidity, meron tayong emergency funds na we are always able to ensure the growth of your fund accounts and of course the safety of your funds that you have entrusted here to Signals, guys, no? So kahit ano pang nangyayari, kahit anong ang dami na pong mga dilubyong dumaan sa Signals, guys. Ang dami ng mga bagyo, no? Hindi lang si Danny Dehek. Syempre, no, that tested the stability of our company. But all through time and for a lifetime, I can guarantee you, Signals will never ever be shaken. Bakit? It's simple. We have the proper technique and the proper formula. And the secret is all about financial allocation and financial management. That's it. Ganun lang kasimple. Nothing complicated, nothing complex, no? So now, I know that Signals is growing as well as a company and as a community. No, we have 18 branches already incoming nationwide. We have 16 branches. Some are already have offices. Some are preparing for their soft launching. And the
Soft
reason why we have
launches.
grown tremendously is because of our asset management program na pwede kang mag-franchise ng sarili mong Signals office for 300,000 pesos. Meron ka ng office set up, fully operational system, business training conducted by the CEO and COO, and we will provide all of the tools, all of the support needed for you to successfully launch your Signals office. And napaka-evident naman, guys, no, that we have provided everything kasi sa lahat po ng branches namin, wala pong nagsarado. Lahat po kumikita. And all we require, office requirements, 50 to 100 square meters of commercial space, cashier employee, receptionist employee, and must maintain a professional and accessible office setup. Paano ka kikita sa Zinos office mo? Sa bawat deposit, bawat cash-in transaction, meron kang 2.5% processing fee. Sa bawat withdrawal or cash-out transaction, another 2.5% processing fee. So for example, in one day, meron kang worth 1 million of transactions ng deposits, that's already 25,000 pesos. Sa withdrawals, worth 1 million of transactions, that's another 25,000
My
pesos.
other
In
Avengers,
total, in
Bob,
one day,
is in here as well.
kumita ka ng 50,000 pesos. Multiply that Mondays to Fridays na open office mo. That's already 250,000 pesos. Multiply that in 4 weeks, 1 month, that's already 1 million pesos
$1 million.
minimum gross income. Bakit minimum? Because as the months and years go by, lalaki at lalaki ang community mo dyan sa office location mo, sa city na yan, no? And habang lumalaki yan, lalaki at lalaki din ang monthly income and earnings ng office mo. Ito pa ang maganda. One city, one location, there can only be one Zignals branch office
He
or
looks like he's
Zignals hub.
sweating like a rapist, though, doesn't
Wala
he?
kang kalaban, wala kang kakompetensya dito sa Zignals, sa madaling salita. So now, para sa mga bago na nanonood
A
dyan, no,
roadmap, a
this is
lovely
our roadmap.
HTML
This is the
page,
reason, no, as to why Zignals was
phase
designed
1.
and structured to be a legacy, not for a long term, but for a lifetime. This is
Lifetime.
why that you can understand that from our mission to make crypto trading easier, our vision to be more innovative, Zignals, no, hindi po siya
How can they do
barko
this?
na nakalutang lang sa dagat.
Disgusting, isn't it, really?
Meron po tayong direction na pinupuntahan and malapit na nating mapupuntahan pa ang iba, no? Marami na pong mga bagay na sinabi kong plano ko dito. Lahat po 'yan nangyari. And kung yung mga wala pa nangyari, mangyayari at mangyayari yan sa ayaw man at sa gusto ni Danny the Heck.
This
No?
meeting is being
So,
recorded.
phase 1, no? Company foundation and community introduction. We have built our company already. We have built our team and structure. We are being introduced, no, to communities all over the world.
Now, where do
We
they
have
let me in?
12,000 community members.
Not that
We
one.
created a self-sustaining revenue, managed trading system,
Not that
live
one.
trading signals natin, live trading sessions ko gabi-gabi, depending on market condition.
It's
And
another
syempre, eto pa guys, no?
meeting.
Meron tayong affiliate program, 10% affiliate commissions, affiliate
10%.
bonus points, incentives
We
and
look, see
reward
what it
system.
is.
So if pagsabay-sabayin mo itong lahat, I can
Just going to go through the
100%
list
and
to see who it
confidently
is.
say,
Might be
hindi ka
something more
maghihirap
exciting.
dito sa
And
Zignals.
Adrian.
Kikita at kikita ka. We'll have
This meeting
is being
consistent
recorded.
growth and consistent income. No? Since alam ko, kikita at kikita ka dito,
He's
I
back.
also created, no, in phase 2, a financial literacy program to help you manage your earnings here in Zinos, maintain it, and grow
Okay,
it,
so
and
we'll
reach
get
it
rid of
into
that.
new heights. Kahit wala kang idea sa finance, sa trading, do not worry.
And
This is a beginner-friendly content and exclusive access to all
get rid of this
Zignals
echo.
community members. And phase 3, no? 2 weeks to 3 weeks
So
from
I
now,
searched
we will
for
be
a
launching
Filipino in
our
prison.
trading academy. Structured trading courses, live sessions and mentorship, signals and guided trading. And once na-complete mo ang trading academy, meron ka pang trading certification para makatulong sa'yo to boost your career and your skills. And phase 4, we have local branch development. As you all know, we have branches, Zignals offices nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Bawat dulo ng bansa, meron tayo guys, no? And meron tayong trading hub, meron tayong trading floor sa ating main head office. Siyempre, meron tayong community partnerships tulad ng partnership natin sa OKX, the global
Let's see if we can
cryptocurrency
get this
exchange
picture.
platform,
Oops.
handling billions and billions of dollars. Doon po tayo nagtitrade sa exchange nila, no? and it's currently top 4 on the global cryptocurrency
Okay, let's see if we
exchange.
can
Siyempre, meron tayong
update
events and
the
onboarding, soft
background
launching events
image.
ng bawat Signals Hub and office.
And let's
Meron
see
tayong meet and greet events.
if I can
Me
add
going around all over the
the
country,
Filipino image
all
isn't the
over
right
the
one. I'll
world
just fix
to
my
meet
image.
all of our community
Look
members.
good on camera.
Meron tayong awarding events tulad ng Signals Mid-Year Recognition Night, wherein we awarded every community member, every community leader,
Everyone gets a free
every branch
giveaway.
owner that have contributed to the growth of Signals as a company and as a community. Phase 5, we have scaled already into multiple cities. Nangyari na po. Meron din tayong financial partnerships. As you know, complete po ating legalities. So, syempre, we are also in collaboration with some of the major banks here in the Philippines. And you will know more why. Meron tayong localized content, no? Meron tayong billboard dyan sa San Pedro Exit, North Alabang, ipakita, ilabas.
Here
Meron
we
tayong,
go.
syempre, partner celebrities and partner influencers, guys, no? Tulad ni Lai Austria. And Phase 6, bakit tayo in collaboration with some
Here
of
we
the
go.
major banks
I
here
put
in the
a cloth
Philippines?
over my
Lahat ng
camera
community members dito sa
so that it shows the
Signals
Filipinos.
magkakaroon ng sarili nilang Signals debit card na pwede nilang i-withdraw lahat ng kita
There's
nila
a
sa
prison
Signals,
prison
sa
photo
cryptocurrency,
with
sa
everyone on.
kahit saang
You can't
ATM pa
make this shit
yan,
up.
all over the Philippines and possibly all over the world. And now, meron tayong compliance partnerships. Galing na po ako sa Congress, galing na po ako sa Krami. I've already handled
Do you see my picture?
all and
I've got all the
every legal
Filipinos in
obstacle that we
jail.
might encounter, even SEC advisory. It was already taken care of and prepared for. So kaya nga parang wala lang sa akin. Syempre galing na tayo sa CIDG, sa Camp Krami, no? Every legal obstacle, I've cleared it so that we can take off as a company and as a community on a
What else can
clear
we put on
runway.
here?
And we have always been taking off, no?
So we've
Here in
got,
Signals and
I've got another
reaching
one here.
new heights, surpassing
Oh,
limits
got
and
removed.
boundaries. And we have, I would say, I can fairly say, we have made history already. And we will make more of it. We will become a legacy. And we will be with you for your entire lives. Hindi mawawala sa Signals. Hindi nyo. Lagi kaming parte ng mga buhay ninyo. So ngayon, no, Phase 7, as a company and as a community, we will also be launching our own community coin, our own cryptocurrency token. The purpose is to raise funds, and 80% of the funds that will be raised will be used in other financial
Let's see if we can cause
markets
a bit of
and
havoc.
business ventures. Tulad ng stock market, forex market, commodities market, real estate market, business ventures, 7-Eleven franchises, Jollibee, gasoline stations, pharmacies. Bakit natin yung gagawin? Unang-una, the effect of this will increase the year-to-year or yearly earnings and cash flow of Signals
we can
as
choose
a
another
company and as a community.
image.
And what is the effect? This will add another layer of security that we are always going to ensure that Signals is in it for the long-term sustainability, long-term stability, and consistent growth over a long
Let's see if I can get
period
back
of
in here
time.
before I get kicked
And
out.
syempre, 20% of the funds that will be raised, no? Kasi
20%.
kikita naman tayo dito lahat ng sobra-sobra, no? And we will change our lives, no? Dito sa Signals. It's also time for us as a company and as a community to give back to our country, to give back to our community,
he's
to
putting
give
all the
back
stops
to
out
our
today.
society, to our fellow brothers and sisters in the form of charity and corporate social
Who's that
responsibility.
guy?
We will provide development opportunities that create long-term, sustainable, positive change to people and communities. Housing programs, livelihood programs, and not just limited to people and communities, but to our environments as well. So, forest, no, tree planting activities, coastal, no, dagat, coastal cleanups, no, and since meron tayong ganyan, no, if community member ka ng Signals, if you're a part of Signals, you get to be part of something
Something.
higher, bigger than yourself, a higher purpose of living. Because why? You're not just learning, you're not just earning here in Signals, but you're also helping your country, your community, your society, your fellow brothers and sisters. You get to do the highest purpose in living, which is what? Service to others. And I believe that service to humanity is the best work of life. So now, since while we're still here, of course, para sa mga bagong community members, this is one of the reasons why that you can truly and fully say that Signals is not legit. It's more than a legitimate
Look at the
trading
photos.
platform. The reason why we are genuine, the reason why we are real, authentic, and bona fide. And yes, sa mga nagtatanong dyan na hindi ba scam, bakit? Kasi nakikita nyo po ang perang ipinagkatiwala nyo dito sa Signals na pinaghirapan ninyo, meron kayong mga sakripisyo at kung ano naman. Guys, we are always updating our entire community
How's that
using
working? I
our
got
live
removed.
trading portfolios
Just getting
for
into it.
every gain, for every loss,
Let's
for
do
every
that again.
profits and earnings that we have in our trading team's accounts. This is for awareness. This is for openness. This is for transparency. And it is also our fiduciary responsibility as someone who manages your funds to always inform you, to be
Managing
always
your
transparent
funds.
to you with what
Poor
happened
Filipino
to the
people
funds
who
that you
don't
have
understand.
entrusted with us here, to me, to Signals, to our trading team. So hence,
Trading
no,
team. Where is this
each
trading
and every
team?
night, I always update our community with our most recent trading
Trade?
teams portfolios, no? Para updated kayong lahat. I'm not in our main head office, so I'm not in a secured location. I'm not in a secured network. I
Not
wouldn't be
yet,
logging
because
in
he's paying the
our
government
trading teams
to leave him
accounts
alone.
anywhere na hindi safe. So, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo na recordings is ang ating latest, no, na live trading portfolio recording. And bakit recording? Well, guys, nakikita nyo naman, there is always an attempt in hacking. So, I also want to secure our trading team's accounts in that way. So, in order to secure and never compromise our company funds and
Right.
community funds, no? And sabi niya, this is mathematically impossible, obviously pumping. I don't know, napakadami, no? You might as well be a fortune
Oh,
teller.
he removed me.
Oh, we are peer to dice. Well, I'm not sure. You do not understand what I have been saying here. Maybe you know. We have cash reserve. We have buffer liquidities. Should crypto fall? Should crypto disappear? We have emergency funds. We have capital reserve na kaya po namin ibalik, bayaran lahat ng community members dito sa Signals. Sa madaling salita. Kaya nga po, meron akong mga cheque, meron akong mga notarized contracts that legally binds me to honor and uphold the contracts that I signed with every community
Okay.
member,
You
especially
says
those
it, boss.
who funded big amounts of money. No, 300,000 above. So ngayon, I don't know what his problem ni Raul kay ni Wolverine kay Raul Salazar, no? Oo.
Don't know what his problem is. You got no laws.
I don't know. But anyways, no. Let me update everyone here sa ating most recent trading teams accounts, guys. Para updated din kayong lahat, no. Hold on, let me share my screen. And
Here we go.
syempre, later, no. I will also show you probably kung hindi niyo pa nakikita ang laman ng isa sa ating mga cryptocurrency wallet, no. Circulating to na trade natin. Oh. Para din na Danny can see, maingit si Danny. Wala lang, gusto ko din ingitin si Danny. Oh, now
Mr. Danny.
let me show it to you. Mhm. Hello, Signals community. Nandito tayo ngayon
Oh,
sa ating
pre-recorded. How
one of our
convenient.
trading teams account sa ating live trading portfolio, and syempre i-check natin no ang ating performance, guys, no. So diretso na tayo dito, wala nang patumpik-tumpik, guys, and this is a live market,
What have we got
and
here?
all of these trades were executed July 31 and
Enlarge
were
the screen.
closed
We might be able to get
August
some crypto
1, no.
addresses and
So
prove that he's doing real
bibilangin muna
trades.
natin 1,
So he's
2,
on
3,
OKX.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah, we actually
9,
are going to
10,
try to get
11.
the biggest
So we
screens
have
possible.
executed
Do
11
standard.
trades in total
No,
in this
gonna
trading teams
do.
accounts, and out of the 11 trades we have 2
What have we got
losses
here?
and 9 gains or 9 wins,
Speak of
guys.
you.
And syempre all of
Yeah, it's
these
going to give us
trades
the
are
biggest window.
already closed, meaning all of our realized profits and losses is
Okay.
already
So
actual
what
na
we
po
got
na
here?
pera na kinita po natin. No, and kasali na
Linked
din to
orders.
loss na
Looking
din
for
natin to, talo na din natin to
a
sa
swap.
trading session na to na performance
Workspace.
natin, guys. So anyways,
Number.
meron tayong 104
Show
that
us a
86% gain.
wallet address
Kumita
where the
tayo ng
money's going so we can validate this,
68,159
the
US
so-called
dollars. So that's
trading.
about 3.5 million something, or 3.6, 3.7 million in pesos ballpark figure. 88.75% gain.
Screenshot for Crypto
Kumita tayo
G.
ng 57,687 US dollars. So that's
Okay.
about
Where's Crypto G when you need him?
almost 3 million din, no? And then 84.33% gain, 54,000 US dollars. That's about 2.5 to 2.8 million pesos. Eto, negative 45.11% loss. Natalo tayo ng 29,321.50 US dollars. So that's about almost 1.5 1.8 million pesos, no. Almost 2 million pesos, guys. Eto, 75.38%
Right.
gain.
So what are we looking at here?
Kumita tayo ng
We're looking for
48,997
something that
US
looks
dollars. Eto, 138%
real.
gain. Kumita tayo ng 89,960 US dollars. Ito, 93.20% gain, 60,580 USDT or US dollars. So that's 3 million pesos converted in Philippine pesos. It's estimated.
Okay, this is
ballpark
proof, is it?
figure. Then meron tayong another loss,
See if we
negative
can find another.
55.56% loss. Natalo tayo ng 36,114 US dollars. So that's about 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 million in peso, no. And eto, meron tayong 66.56% gain, 43,264 US dollars, guys.
Whoops.
So
There he
that's
goes.
about 2.2 million pesos or 2.1 million pesos, no. 113.32% gain. Kumita tayo ng 73,658 US dollars. So that's about 3.5 million pesos in ballpark figure. And then 219.75% gain. Kumita tayo ng 142,837
Right, and this guy reckons he's in
US dollars.
41
So that's
countries at the
about
moment.
um
Got a community of
7
6,000 people,
million
and they're all getting
7.2,
paid.
7.3 million
You can do the
pesos
math.
is converted sa
He's
Philippine
not making
peso.
that money.
These are all actual na po na pera na kinita natin.
So where's your wallet
All
address?
if you add about
I want to ask if I don't want to get kicked out. I'll just make
9
sure I haven't got any
to
other
12.
connections.
Estimated ko
This
mga
one, no.
naglalaro sa 25 to 30 million
Is
pesos
this one
ang
working?
overall earnings ng earnings ng
Oh, I've got another
in
one.
this trading teams account na kinita natin. Then meron din tayong
I've got a
2
chat room.
losses. Well, anyways, guys,
Have you got the wallet address you're trading with?
feel free to ask me. And happy weekend sa lahat, no?
All right, let's see if we can. Leave audio.
guys, so that's the most recent update. Currently, right now, I cannot give you actual live trading portfolio update kasi nga wala pa ako sa secured location and I never ever log in my trading team's accounts in unsecured network in order for it to be
Oh,
safe
that's a good
and
excuse.
not compromised. Marahil kaya din tayo na-atake ngayon kasi um ano no, kumbaga ayan oh, may nagtatanong, have you got the wallet address you're trading with? Why would I give my wallet address to you? Um, I don't,
So we can prove that the trading is real.
even if I wanted to, I wouldn't share our
You're just showing OKX stuff. This is not proving anything.
cryptocurrency wallet, no, for the sake of proving ourselves to you. For everyone here, should you not believe, no?
It's not about belief. We want the facts. We want you to show us proof that you're doing real trading. This is not real proof. This is a circus show.
Probability or Bob Wilson. Yeah, I given the facts to you. Anyways, I'm just sick and
You're just lying.
the rudeness is boring me actually. So you probably grew up without love, and
Without love, let's get
as
personal.
much as I want to, I'd give you my kindness and my love because
I had enough love when growing up. I like helping people from getting scammed.
to give you followers and subscribers on your YouTube channel, which has what very very low followers. Um
I have more followers than you do, you idiot.
yeah. Anyway, yeah, he's been sending me messages. He's been sending me messages, guys. Like, I have more followers than you, idiot. I have enough love when growing up. I like helping people from getting scammed. You just
Thank you for reading my comments. Why don't you spend the time showing me that you're doing real trades and show us the wallet address so we can monitor it?
my wallet right now, and just to end this thing. And but after that, Danny, it's all on you. But I will never ever give our wallet address to you.
That means you can never prove you're doing real trading.
Our that's our it's one of our trading team's accounts, by the way. Yeah, you can take a good look at it. Bye. Ayoko nang tagalan.
What a joke.
Susubukan niyang anuhin eh. Oo.
You're nothing more than a common thief. I'm coming to get you.
What a joke. Sure. Sabi ni Danny sa akin, or
Give me your address and I'll come and meet you in person.
oh my, I'm scared. Uh-huh. That means you can never prove you're doing real trading. Actually, Danny, I have been doing live trading sessions.
What a load of rubbish. You've proved us nothing tonight. You're just showing OKX.
I am drained and I'm not in a good space and environment to trade, which will only lead to loss if I force it. So right now,
Why did you have to do a pre-recording?
tell him, sabi ni Ma'am,
Did you edit all the HTML and then record the screen?
posting this publicly with names of attendees. Yes, Danny, you're probably if we're comparing, no, if we're comparing, you probably have broken laws compared to me. Yeah, you have probably broken a lot of laws compared to me. Uh-huh. I don't know what's with that. Yeah. Well, anyways, Danny, you probably have broken more laws than me. Yeah. Well, in the spirit of journalism, if you're that passionate, well, continue to do your work. Syempre, it's just quite fun and entertaining, no? Well,
Looks like I've got you rattled tonight.
to explain it to you, Xignos,
Looks like I've got you rattled tonight.
no? Kumbaga sa hayop pa, we're a beast already. And a beast will always be challenged. We will always be challenged, guys. Magkakaroon at magkakaroon tayo dito ng kalaban, ng obstacle. May mga maiinggit, meron at merong hahamunin at hahamunin tayo dito. Pero, Signals is a beast. And wala lang yan. Kumbaga, will always be ang ating supremacy, no? Alam niyo naman, we have risen from the bottom to the top, guys.
You've given away more iPads and more iPhones to fool people.
We are the apex predator. We are, hawak na natin ang beat sa madaling salita, no? We are the top of the line. And it's natural that the seat and the throne will always be challenged, will always be tested. Ganun po talaga. This is the way of things. This is the way of the world. If you're at the top, if you're at the throne, someone, something will always try to work to bring you down, to pull you down. But it's normal. If you're a great ruler, if you're a great leader, you must be aware that there are people, could be in your circle, could be in your place or in your surrounding, that will always work against you to of course bring you down. If you have wisdom that is given by God, if you have the strength, the humility, and the patience that was given by God, you can overcome these things because it's a simple battle of will, a simple battle of will, a simple battle of strategy. And mind you, guys, I'm telling you, I have gone through a lot of things in this life at a very young age, and my will is unconquerable. I have a strong will. I have better visions in reality. Lahat po ng navi-visualize ko, lahat po ng mga nadidelusion ko noon, nagkatotoo po yan. That's why I was able to say that maybe I have a stronger will. I'm not saying that I'm above everyone else, but I would say I have the characters, the capability, the will to stay on top, to be always at the top of the food chain, to be the apex predator. Marami na pong sumubok, nanira, kumalaban kay Signals. Saan na po sila ngayon? Gun in the air, fly by night, did not survive. Simple to say, we are at the top. No? So, ngayon, syempre guys, no? Oh no, Dan is sending really, really harsh comments, private messages, guys. No, like very, very bad messages. No. Tell you, Danny, our God is a forgiving God. So I hope our God forgives you for the transgressions that you have been doing to his people. Yeah. But anyways, Danny, it's a really fun to talk with you. Actually, you remind me of I would say my mom or my dad. Alam niyo guys, nung bata pa kasi ako, minsan, pilyo ako na bata eh. Gustong-gusto ko lang inisin yung mami ko or yung daddy ko. Wala lang. Gustong-gusto ko lang din nakikita nagagalit siya. And eto si Danny ngayon. Parang mas, habang nagagalit at nagagalit si Danny, mas nai-enjoy at mas napapam akong galitin pa siya ng galitin. Kung mamatay man siya sa high blood dahil sa akin, pasensya na lang. Sorry, Danny. Oo. Ay. Hmm. Anyways, I really commend though your efforts, Danny. It's so great. I mean, I'm amazed by your commitment, by your efforts. If you have applied that in other areas of your life, you probably would have succeeded into something. Yeah. It's not too late, Danny. It's not too late. Find other ways. Guys, mas umiinit pa ang ulo niya. I don't know, I'm enjoying it. It's like parang ano sa akin eh, parang kumbaga nawawala ang antok ko at nawawala ang pagod ko, natutuwa lang ako na laruin si Danny. It's just so fun. Bob Wilson. Yeah, you might as well shave. I can send you a shaver, by the way. Where are you located? Yeah. Anyways, guys, no, should you have any questions, other concerns? I think, no, bago pa pumutok ang ugat sa ulo ni Danny, I think let's just end the session for tonight, no, with a prayer of gratitude and thanks. And in the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, you can join our prayers, Danny, and I'm gonna include you in my prayers. Oh God, thank you very much for everything that you have given to me. We are truly, truly in gratitude to you. We are nothing without you. All of your blessings, everything that you have given to us, is all because of you. The prosperity, the growth, it's all because of you, oh God. And all I ask, oh God, is give us the wisdom to make the right choices in all of our undertakings. Give us kindness to face every hater here, no, that we are encountering in our lives. Give us the patience, the humility, the humbleness to face everything in this life. Give us the strength to handle challenges, obstacles, struggles. Um, this all I ask, oh God, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Guys, if you're reading the private messages of Danny right now, I'm not sure if it's really a good person, no? It's like, fuck you and fuck God, Jesus Christ. Pwede may gusto picturean ko pa, no? Grabe, ang lala ng taong to. I don't know. How was this guy created? How was this guy born? I'm Danny Dehek, a New York Times featured investigative journalist, print edition by David Siegel, featured in Bloomberg documentary by Alice Cantor, quoted by The Guardian, Australia in coverage by Sarah Martin, and recently featured by CoffeeZilla for helping expose the Goliath Ventures, a 328 million Ponzi scheme. Actually, I heard Goliath Ventures filed a case to sue you. I'm not sure what happened with that. But anyways, it's so good. I'm actually it's a compliment to me, Danny, that people as small as me, a Filipino in a third world country, is being noticed by a New York Times featured investigative journalist, a featured Bloomberg documentary, someone from The Guardian in Australia. These are very, very heavy names. And it's a testament that Signals, as a company and as a community, is very, very heavy. We're not a small, we're not a small dime in the sea. We're a big fish now because we caught the attention of a New York Times featured journalist. Clap, clap your hands, Signals community. Clap your hands. We are international. We're international. Yeah, actually, Sir Raul, I do not mind him, but I would say this is still an achievement, no? I always like to frame things positively. To be noticed, to be um, to be to be given an attention from a New York Times featured journalist is an achievement. Let's give it a round of applause. And guys, David Siegel, I've seen his documentaries in Netflix. It's a great documentary. You should watch it, by the way. Bloomberg, it's a financial data financial company as well. Some traders use Bloomberg Terminal. It's a good thing as well. If you're a finance person, Bloomberg is also a thing. So it's an achievement for all of us. So every community member here in Singles, clap your hands, clap at yourselves. We have made a wonderful, tremendous achievement. Guys, namumula na si Danny. Ma-high blood na to, atakihin na to. So, atakihin na talaga to. Nako. Baka makaano pa ako, magkasala pa ako. Ako pang dahilan, no, na atakihin ang matanda. Pasensya na po. Oh. Anyways, yeah. Sa mga naga-comment, no, actually, I'm making fun of it. But anyways, guys, we have made an achievement, and let's end the session tonight. A pleasant evening to you all. And of course, good night to you, Danny, the heck. And I hope to see you soon. Personally, yeah, just don't punch me in the face. Because this face is very precious. Take care, Danny. Have a good day.
Did it. So here I am sitting here by myself with Thomas the Tank Engine on. Oh my goodness. Now everyone has to leave, which is so funny. I don't think we can share anything there. No, we can't. 86 people are just left in the meeting by themselves, which is kind of funny. Let's do gallery view. There I am, Thomas, Thomas and friends. Oh my God, these guys are mental. Alrighty. Anyway, so what have we got here? So while I'm still Thomas the Tank Engine, I don't know if I can take my mic off. No, still can't take my mic off. Maybe I can put another Thomas and the Tank Engine in there. No. Oh my goodness, what a screen. Anyway, I'll stay there as Thomas and the Tank Engine. Now, you probably don't know why I did that, but Adrian is running a scam called Signals, and there's no trading going on at all. So if you have watched this video to the end, congratulate you, but that's what I do late at night. It's now 21 minutes past 2 in the morning. But if you come through my blogs, if you come in here enough, you'll actually see I've done a whole investigation on Signals and our friend Adrian, and I've dressed myself up as a policeman. You can also see other times when I've crashed his meetings. And I've even got him a song, which is pretty wicked.
And watch your money grow.
So he reckons that you can make a 1% per day. If you get the calculator out, figure out how much money. If you look at the presentation that we just looked at, you can see it just goes on and on. So there's Adrian. He's all upset. He's got 4 slides about himself and 1 slide about the founder, which is a bit of a scream. If you come down here enough, we actually have the whole presentation slides. Now, I had to get them. I couldn't find it anywhere. But I literally... so that's the slide about the meant-to-be founder. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought we had 4 slides, but 3 slides about him. And then it just goes on and on, reading all about it, how Bitcoin got around, Ethereum got around, and Solana got around, and XRP, blah, blah, blah. How to deposit money into his platform, trading capital. And I think today I actually saw 3 other news slides. And then you've got the proof of trades, which are absolutely batshit crazy. And I did take a couple of screenshots of OKX. Now, you can literally edit this and say anything you like, but there's no point because he's got no proof that these trades are even his or any trading. Now, I don't understand trading at all, but to me, that's just batshit crazy. So if you want to and you're thinking it's real and you've stumbled across this video, by all means, he's even got a photo here of him visiting the police officer. And then he told me that he did this just to gain some credibility. And he looks like he's but apparently he says that in Philippines, if you want to do business, you just got to know who to bribe. But as I said earlier on, which you may have not heard, he's got like, I think 41 different countries involved in his operation. So if that's the case, then theoretically he should be going by the laws. Now, oh my goodness. So that his website's down at the moment. So that's interesting. So is there another website? So that website's down for a reason. I think signals.org actually comes to mind. So what's the I'm just going to ask him the address for Signals. He's not running the meeting. Wonder if anyone else is. Oh, there we go. So I'll just see what's the address for Signals. So that's crazy. So he's already lost. They've lost their website. So now we've got My Signals. Oh, and look at this. It's got not private. So that means that you can't. You have to either. Oh, these guys are amateur hour. So if I take out the S, I'm probably going to be able to go to that website. And now what have we got? Does not support secure connection. Continue to the site. Look at this. My service provider has blocked this due to a phishing threat. Isn't that crazy? So how am I meant to get in here now? So you just can't make this shit up. So that's what comes up. So let's have a look at their Facebook page, Signal site. Oh my goodness, they've already gone through. Look at this. So now we've got official site. We've got a Gmail address. And what happened to the site? And now we've got Signals. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Yeah. What domains getting closed down. Idiot. What an idiot. Oh my goodness. So anyway, if you come through here, I think they tell you that they are active traders, daily volume, uptime, countries. They're in 140 countries. There you go. So if they're in New Zealand, that means they have to go by our laws. You can't provide securities unless you've got them. So I don't know if you can see that, but they're claiming they are at 140 countries. Last time I'm sure it was 63. And this is meant to be, oh, what a laugh. So now they've got signals.site. And just to rub that in at home, if we go to URL scan and put that domain name in there, I'm just going to Signals. That's a different company. Oh, I don't know if I should do them the favor and update the domain name. Anyway, let's have a look. If I put a www in front of it, does that work? It redirects. Should I update the blog is the question. Oh, well, I might update the blog so that people can see what they're doing. It's not like it's promoting them. But if you look at his LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile, let's just see what we've got here. So LinkedIn, there he is, the man of the moment. Facebook, yep, he's there. I would ask a question, but then he'll kick me out. So much for these boys, eh? So who's this guy? Signal representative, chief operating officer, CEO. That's so he can move the liability. It already looks like a criminal. Look at that photo. Does that look like a real opportunity? And if you right-clicked on this and went Google Lens, you know what's going to happen if I search for this individual? He won't exist. There'll be no digital footprint of him other than photos on their own. Oh, there we go. He's got a LinkedIn profile. Let's have a look. Let's see what he's done. Where has he gone? He's disappeared now. LinkedIn, where are you, mate? No, can't find him. Was there a second ago? He must be on page 10. LinkedIn. Oh, you can't make this shit up, can you? Anyway, I'll do the nice thing and update the link, even though they've that link's gone now. So he's gone through a .org, and now they're on to .site. So that's okay. So we're going to go bracket. What was it? .net and Signals, what was it called? I think it was org. They can't be org. Oh, I think I'll leave it out. Not really relevant, but it's always interesting to me when I'm talking to people. Save, update. Anyway, so yes, have a good read of the blog. Just search my site if you really want to. But as I said, don't hold your breath if you're looking to trade. So that domain is 2 months old. So he must have bought a few domain names just to protect himself. That is a crack up. Signals site, Signals logo, absolutely funny as hell. Oh, well, that's good. All right. Anyway, that was a video that wasn't really planned, but I thought you might enjoy it. And I just felt like wasting 2 hours of my life, 1 hour and 55 minutes of my life. Don't get involved with Signals. Stay away. And sorry about my potty mouth and the words that I say on the screen, but I'll do whatever it takes to cause disruption, because no one's going to stop these guys. And a lot of innocent people are going to lose their money when they invest in places like Signals. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.